I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Parkland. Today's Wednesday, September 12th, day 1 and a B schedule. I'm Afra.
And I'm Micheal Salvino. Attention all underclassmen. Pictures will take place today for 10th grade and tomorrow for 11th grade. Make sure to look decent. Garter Bowl sign-ups are at all lunches and will end today. The cost is $10 and the Garter Bowl game will be played at the Orfield Stadium on October 3rd.
Here are some more highlights of Homecoming Week 2018. Spirit Week will start on October 1st and run through the week, ending with the Homecoming Dance on Saturday, October 6th. All clubs should submit their nominations for Homecoming King and Queen to Mrs. Wood. The students will vote to nominate the Homecoming Court that will be announced during the Homecoming football game at halftime. Be sure to show out and make Homecoming Week one to remember.
New this year, you can order your tickets for theatrical performances online. You can now choose your seats or print your tickets at home. You do not have to send in order forms with checks anymore. We are now in the 21st century. You will go on www.parklandsd.org/tickets and there will be a link to our new ticketing provider, showtixforyou.com. That will lead you to the Parkland listing page. Our upcoming 2 shows will be the play 26 Pebbles, opening in October, and the children's show, Mary Poppins Jr., opening in November. These tickets go on sale today at 8 a.m., so go grab your tickets for the fall season.
If you're looking for a community service opportunity, here's your chance. The Parkland Invitational Girls Volleyball Tournament needs your help in the concession stand on Saturday, September 15th. They will also be collecting used clothes at the athletic entrance from 8 to 11 a.m. See Mrs. Hartman in E104 to sign up.
The first NHS meeting of the year is tomorrow at 7:05 in the main gym. NHS tutors are also available to help you with a class you may be struggling with. To request a tutor, email parklandnhs@gmail.com and include your name, available study halls, and days available before and after school. Subject and level. Tutor assignments are typically made within 2 days and will be for 1 period each cycle. If you're requesting a tutor for more than 1 subject, please send each request in with a separate email. Tutor requests may begin to be submitted next Monday, September 17th.
The Multicultural Leadership Club needs you. Come to our first meeting on Monday, September 17th in room E104. Help us show how much Parkland cares. Club 316 will meet tomorrow in B123 immediately after school for a brief meeting with Mrs. Venata.
Have a desire to be on television? Join Scholastic Scrimmage for its first meeting on Monday, September 24th after school in C200. Visit to see what it's all about or bring $10 dues to join.
Today, the Investing Club will have a meeting for returning members at 3 p.m. in room D227. And the first Fashion Club meeting will be held after school in room A136. Let's start the year off strong and come help them prep for the Student Involvement Fair. Hope to see you there.
The Debate Teen Tryouts will be held on Monday, September 17th and Tuesday, September 18th. Sign up outside room B223. This year's resolve is the United States federal government should significantly reduce its restrictions on legal immigration. See Miss Jennifer Smith in B223 with any questions. The Tri-M Music Honor Society will hold its first general meeting on Friday, September 28th in the band room. Any interested new members should attend for application information.
Attention sophomores and juniors. PSAT registration form for juniors is today through the 21st, and the registration for sophomores is September 17th through the 21st. Students can register before first period in the main lobby outside the counseling office. The cost is $21, cash only.
Again, for all sophomores and juniors, the nurse's office will be doing vision screenings on school picture day. Once your picture is taken, you will be directed to this screening area. Please remember, if you wear contacts or glasses, make sure you have them for this screening.
Student Senate has some new and gently used school supplies in B108. Thank you to all the students and staff that donated so far. The Interpreters Club will meet with Mrs. Venata tomorrow in B123 before school at 7:15 a.m. If you desire to join but are unable to attend, please send an email to venataj@parklandsd.org.
Welcome Pack's first meeting will be Tuesday, September 18th at 7:15 a.m. in C210. If you are interested in helping new students feel welcome at PHS, please attend this meeting to learn more about our club and how to join. Also, Parkland Red Cross Club's first meeting is September 18th after school in C200. This meeting is for new and old members.
Attention all sophomores, juniors, and seniors. The ASVAB is scheduled for Wednesday, September 26th. You can register for the ASVAB in the counseling office up until Friday, September 21st. The ASVAB is an excellent opportunity for students to complete a career aptitude test that examines different academic, mechanical, and technical areas. Any questions, please see Mr. Humes in the counseling office.
The School Spirit Committee will be hosting a breakfast social for all freshmen on September 21st from 7 a.m. to 7:20. If you are interested in attending and getting to know your fellow classmates, please stop by D224 and purchase a ticket. Tickets are on sale until this Wednesday for $7. And if you are interested in showcasing your school spirit, have your parents pick up your pink out shirt sold by the cheerleaders at Open House in the cafe for $10 each and $12 for XXL. Don't be left out. And now over to Abby Mirth with sports.
Good morning. Last night, golf tied Liberty 405 to 405. Tennis washed out Stroudsburg 2-0. Both our boys and girls cross country teams won their races yesterday, with Maddie Zahn and Riley Williamson finishing first for Parkland. Volleyball beat Northampton in 3 sets. And finally, our soccer teams both dominated Nazareth. Boys 6-1 with Kevin Geiger scoring 2 goals, and girls 3-0 with goals from senior Gia Litz, Maddie Worminski, and Lindsay Reitler. Today, tennis will take on Southern Lehigh away at 3:45, and field hockey will face Whitehall home at 5. Good luck to our girls today. For sports, I'm Abby Mirth. Back to you.
The Parkland High School is amongst the largest in Pennsylvania. Our site provides a lot of advantages for our class options, sports, and a number of clubs we can join.
We have a very diverse student population with different backgrounds, religions, cultures, and languages. We may not understand what holidays others are celebrating. They may not understand why you wear the clothes that you do. Some may not even understand the languages you speak. Our diversity allows us to become something greater if we take the time to understand one another. Now, we can start to join together with an understanding of empathy.
Empathy is a choice, an opportunity to put yourself in someone else's shoes and view the world through the lens of someone else's circumstances.
Empathy is the ability to think about what someone else is going through and putting yourself in that place.
Every day, in every school, students are made fun of. Outcasts are looked down upon and can feel worthless.
No prescription works like empathy can. We must step out of our comfort zone and be the reason someone smiles today.
Life can be lonely at times. It's important to feel like someone has your back.
Empathy is something that you should give to your friends or someone you don't even know at all. It takes practice. We need to stop thinking about ourselves and start focusing on others.
People say sticks and stones may break your bones, but words will never hurt you, as if that were true at all. But empathy encourages love, encourages hope, and most importantly, encourages tolerance.
Empathy is like a wildfire. A spark can ignite a chain reaction.
And empathy can change the world.
And that one person can be you.
And you.
And that's all we have for you today. Thank you for watching PMN on Parkland TV. I'm Micheal Salvino.
And I'm Afra Anan. Have a wonderful Wednesday.